Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can categorize animes in Crunchyroll. Well, Crunchyroll boasts a tons of anime, but often we only want to select anime to watch of particular category. But how do you categorize animes in Crunchyroll? So let's begin how we can categorize anime. First, launch your favorite browser and in one of the new tabs, just enter crunchyroll.com and press enter and make sure you've logged into your account to get a screen something like that. Alright, now at the top section you can see browse. Okay, so when you click browse, there is genre section. So there is action, adventure, comedy, drama, fantasy, and others. Alright, so if you want to go for sci-fi animes, click on it. Now these sci-fi animes, again, they are categorized based on popular, new, action, adventure, comedy, drama, historical. So just go about seeing any one of the categories again. Let's say I want sci-fi and action anime. Let's select this one and you can start watching your preferred action anime under sci-fi category. Now you know how to categorize anime in Crunchyroll. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up, and if you still have any questions or comments regarding categorizing animes in Crunchyroll, do leave them in the comment section. We'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye bye.